Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today, we're going to solve one of the coolest question, which is contains duplicate. So basically, this question is quite impressive. So what we have to do in this question? Let's just read the question for what they are saying. So we will understand what we have to do in this one. They're saying that given an integer array of nums, okay, we have to return true if the value appears at least twice, okay, and return false if every element is distinct. All right, so it's given a like little bit idea about this thing. It's saying like if the similar value, let's say similar value of 1 appears twice, so it's a duplicate. So we will return true for that. If it's not similar, it's not equal, then we will return false for that. So that's what it's saying. So let's just look at over here. Let me just erase this thing. Right, let's just have a look in this example. So they're saying we have 1 2 3 1. Okay, so if you see, look over here, we have one and one similar. So at least like we have two items similar in this one, like two similar element, like I mean one element have two similar items. Okay, so like one has one has only one item, so it has two. One is two, one is two. Okay, so two is one, three is one, like this. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. So how are we going to solve this question? So to solve this question, we will use two techniques. One is sorting, and another one is using set. So now you will ask like how we will do using sorting one. Okay, so it's very simple to use it. So first of all, what I will do, I will, let's say I have this 1 2 3 1, 1 2 3 1. I will sort this one. So what happened after sorting it? It will convert 1 1 2 3. Okay, then what I will do, I will check if this value, let's say this is I and this is J. If I and J are equal, I will say if I and J are equal, then I will return true for that. If they are not equal, then I will return false for that. Else, if they are not equal. So I hope this is very simple question. Very simple question. Now you will ask like how we will do in set. So in the set, what I will do, I will create one my set. Let's say this is my set, and in this one I will add my value until and unless I will not find the similar one. Okay, let's say we have similar 1 2 3 4. Let's say we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, so once I am adding this one is unique, 2 is unique, 3 is unique, 4 is unique. So it's over. We reach our boundary of our array. Okay, so now I will return false for this because this is not a duplicate one. But let's say I have one again for this one. Like let's say I have 1 2 3 4 1 after 4. So what will happen, like after 4, when I try to add one, I will check is it a unique one or is it similar. I will say is it similar. So once I find it similar, I will return simply true for that. So I will return simply true for that. I hope like you get a quick idea like how I will approach and solve my question. So without any further ado, let's just start solving it. So first of all, what I will do, I will simply use the help of sorting one. Okay, so let me mention over here. So this is our sorting, the way we are using it. All right. Okay guys, so what I will do, first of all I will simply create one array.sort method I will use to sort it my nums. Now what I will do, I will run a for loop from int I 0 I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay guys, so instead of creating J, what I will do, I will just simply say if my nums of I is equals to my nums of I plus 1. Okay, if that's so, then I will return true for that. But if I'm using this one, then I have to put -1 over here, because otherwise, like because if we are on this one, my I will reach over here, then my this is my I, then my I plus 1 be over here out of the boundary. So we don't need that one. So that's why I use -1. So my I will go till 3, my I will go till 3, and my I plus 1 will go till plus 1. This one over here. I hope this thing is clear how we are doing. Okay, and finally, like if they are not similar, then I will return false for that outside. So that's all the code is. Let me just run it as well, and here we go guys. Let me submit this one as well, and is accepting. So guys, what you see over here, like in this question, we are dealing with the time complexity of O n log n. Why? Because we are sorting it first, so we are swapping it because of that. And the space complexity is open because we are not using any extra space. Right, so I hope this thing is clear. That's why like it's taking a little bit time, run time. Okay, so now the optimal approach is using our set. Okay, so we use hash set. Alright guys, so the second method to solve this question is using hash set. So what I will do, I will just simply use my hash set to solve this question. Okay, so it is very similar. So what I will do, I will simply create my set over here, and it has integer value. So I will say integer set new hash set. Okay, now guys, what I will do, I will search and insert my value. So I will say for int I comes. Okay, and in this one I will say if set dot add I. Okay, so I'm saying like if my set value is similar, like is similar present in this one, and like I have one present already in my set and I'm again adding one, then just simply return true for that. Okay, so like we found it, like my set dot not add to set. Okay, not add to my I value. Okay, otherwise if we add the old value, then we don't find any similar one, I will return false for that. Alright guys, I hope this thing is clear, like how we are doing this one. Let me just run this code as well. And here we go guys, let me just submit this one as well, and here we go. So like don't look at over here, like in this one the runtime is 100%, so it's accepting 100%. Sometimes it's happen, you know. So I hope this thing is clear. Like now you will ask what the time complexity we are dealing with. The time complexity we are dealing with in this one, time complexity is our O of n. Okay, because like we are just searching it and inserting the value in our set. Okay, and our space complexity is O of n as well, because like has said use spaces. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, like how we are solving this question. And let me just go for this one. I hope I have like good, yeah, I have 80% submission. Like I use the same code over here. If you see like I use the same code. So I hope this thing is clear, like how we are solving this question. If you still have any doubt, I'm just saying try to watch this video again. You will definitely gonna understand like how we solve this question. And thank you everyone guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye. And I really love you guys. Believe me, I love you, man.